Hey guys, I'm going to start by apologizing. The formatting on this question, for some reason, the image won't get any larger. So I'm going to redraw it. We're going to find the area of the shaded region. So this is an embedded shape of a rectangle on the outside that has 31 centimeters as a length and a circle on the inside that has a radius of 7 centimeters. And we are trying to find the area of the rectangle that does not include the circle. So let's go ahead and find the two areas. We're going to start by finding the area of the exterior shape, which is a rectangle. And I know my formula is length times width. My length is 31. It's my width that I need to figure out. So we see the circle, right? The circle touches both the top and the bottom of the rectangle. And if the radius is 7, then that means the diameter is 14, which is also going to be my width. So 31 times 14. I do not know what that is off the top of my head, so let's go ahead and work it out. 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 0 placeholder. All right. I got 434 for the area of my rectangle. Now I'm going to find the area of my circle. Let's make that bigger. Area of a circle is pi r squared. I know pi is 3.14, and I know my radius is 7. Now, 7 squared, I do know that off the top of my head, as we all should. 7 times 7 is 49. I do not know what 3.14 times 49 is, so I am going to work that out. 3.14 times 49. 4 times 9 is 36. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 3 is 12. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. I feel like we do 3.14 times 9 a lot, so 28.26. Anyway, 0 placeholder. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12. Let's add it up. 8 plus 5 is, what, 13? All right, so we have 2. This is 153.86. Okay, now since I'm doing embedded shapes, I should be subtracting these two numbers, right? Because I'm taking the circle out of the rectangle. So let's go ahead and subtract. I am going to put a decimal at the end of that 434, just so I can make sure I line up all my place values correctly with the 153.86. All right, let's go ahead and subtract. I know I need to borrow. This guy has to be a 10, and he borrows from this guy, which has to borrow from this guy. Well, she doesn't need to borrow, but this guy will need to borrow from this guy. All right, 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. Pull down my decimal. 3 minus 3 is 0. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Score, 280.14. Should be the area of the shaded region of that teeny tiny little shape that would not format correctly. So it looks like your answer choice is A. B, we know not to be right because that's the area of the rectangle. D, we know not to be right because that's just the area of the circle. And C, honestly, it looks like might have like done some borrowing wrong if you got answer choice C. But A is definitely the answer.